Hey Willow, this is Mrs. Christensen giving you some instructions just for you. For science, you'll just want to access the folder that has your name on it. And lucky you, you just have one unit to complete to earn back your credit from first semester. So it's on bonding and reactions, and I've really whittled it down for you to the essentials. So you'll have to complete everything in order. Most of it's just a short lesson. I've chosen to utilize a guy named Tyler DeWitt on YouTube. He's an amazing teacher. He really breaks it down well. And I've made quizzes based on those videos. So you'll have a quick intro to writing ionic formulas and a follow-up quiz. It's really important that you watch his videos because I've designed the quizzes to mimic the example problems that he does. So, you might be kind of confused unless you really do a good job and watch those videos. I have a PDF of a periodic table. You just have to open it and have it open in order to move forward, but you'll reference a periodic table from time to time. Naming ionic compounds, little quiz there. Notice you always have to score at least 70% to move on. And so you have unlimited attempts to do that. Naming covalent molecular compounds, another video you'll watch, and then have a follow-up quiz. Again, please watch the videos, otherwise those quizzes will be super confusing. And that's all you have to do. There's no big test. It's just hitting those marks. And I expect that, you could be done really early if you worked hard and stuck to it. If at any time you have questions, please reach out to me via email. It's Kelly, Kelly, Christensen, Christensen, at isd728.org. And I'll get back to you as quick as I possibly can, which is usually pretty fast. And then, if you want to meet via Google Meet, we could do that too. We can set that up. But good luck and get to work.